What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to check how much storage capacity is left on your iPhone and checking how much storage capacity your iPhone has in general, especially with the newer iPhones. They aren't labeled on the back for how many gigabytes they come with, and you might be getting a new phone and not be quite sure yourself. Depending on your plan, you might have just gotten a random phone, whatever they give you, but I'm going to be showing you that as well as check how much you have left and how much you have used. So in order to do this, you're going to head over to your settings app, and you're just going to scroll down a little bit so you get to the third section there at the top. Is going to be the general option. You should be able to get to it from there. And then when you're at this screen here, seventh option down here is going to be an option for iPhone storage, and you're going to go ahead and see that, and it's definitely going to take a second to load, but you can see your iPhone storage layout is listed right here. You can see at the top I have 45.9 gigabytes out of 64 used, and you could scroll down and see all the apps that are taking up data. And for most people, it's going to be the Photos app because photos store a lot of data, and most people don't really go in and delete that, and they just have a bunch of photos. And I am no exception. You can see that almost 3/4 of my storage is from photos, but it also has a bunch of apps that I don't use here, and it is nice to look at to see which apps I could just delete and free up some easy storage right there and just be done with it. If you need any help deciding what to clear up on your iPhone because you're short on storage, leave a comment down below. As far as any other questions or confusion that you had with this video as well, comment that all down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I would love to help you with this matter. Other than that though, if you did find this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.